Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Marino from BA Domingo Realty and Construction Works. It's another day and another live house tour with me. And for today's video, we're here in Estancia Enclave. I will show you the dress up model. As what you can see dito sa Estancia Enclave, we have two car parking. So kasya dyan, dalawang sasakyan. And this is our porch area here. Diba? Malaki pa yung space. Pwede magtanim ng mga gulay-gulay, halaman. Let's go sa dress-up model. It's up to you guys kung paano mo didesignan, but this is just a sample model para meron kang idea. Okay? So this serves our sala here, and this is our dining area. Okay? And our kitchen cabinet is here. Alright, so ang turnover naman dito, guys, is complete na. Okay? So, this is our toilet and bath here. And nilagyan lang natin dito sa ilalim ng hagdan ng konting accent. So, kung makikita nyo, guys, para makapaglagay ka pa ng kung anek-anek mo dyan. Let's go sa second floor, mga friend. So, this Estancia Enclave has 3 bedrooms na, provision for 2-car garage na upon turnover. Very accessible dahil malapit lang ito sa main road. Tara guys. So this is our first room. Ganitong design ang ginawa niya, friendships. For your baby boy, may anak kang lalaki. Ayan. And this is our second bedroom for your baby girl. And this is the master's bedroom here. As I said, guys, nasa sayo kung paano mo papagandahin yung bahay. And ito naman ang ating toilet and bath. Malawak yung space niya. Naka-separate yung shower area from your toilet. Diba? Kaya mga friendship, if you are looking for a property na wala ka nang problemahin, nung kapag nag-move in ka is complete turnover, complete amenities, at a very affordable price. Kaya mga friend, if you have question for quotation, tripping request, or tripping schedule, please feel free to comment how or please message me. That's all for today's video and thank you for watching. Bye!